So I bought this webcam off of eBay, and what I liked about it was it had a light, and I wanted to use it in my Lack enclosure that I built. I have a few mounts, and usually they work pretty good, but as you can see, this is this has kind of a like a little channel running down the middle. So any of the mounts that I have, it just doesn't sit flush on. Plus, this is a huge mount. It's really big and bulky. So what I did was I decided this isn't going to work for me, and I need to make a better mount, one that works for what I need. So I went ahead and I just pulled this thing apart. And what I came up with is this. And this sits right in there, and it moves around on it. And this is going to pivot on this hinge. And I basically took the hinge from the design that it already had, because why not? It worked. And so on this version, I have a couple different versions of the file. This one I didn't actually use any hole calibration on, and so I basically just let the I had to make the holes a little bigger, and to adjust for the expansion and contraction of the materials. And what I'm going to do here is just kind of work these holes for a minute, make sure everything pushes in just fine. Okay. So this should push in. We're just gonna push this in there. Okay, real nice snug fit. Then we have this screw right here. That's nice and snug. Pulled the other side tight. That is a little tight at first, but pretty good. I don't want it loose anyway, because so this is basically just going to sit in the lack. This butts up right against the corner of the lack table leg. There's a screw here, and a screw goes in here. And then this is going to sit right on top. So let's go ahead and see if we can get this in there right now. And I think that's gonna, there we go. Push that down in there. And that is it. This should be a nice purpose-built camera mount. I'm going to put the link to the camera I use. This is a real cheap one. It's just like 10 bucks. All I wanted was a camera that could monitor it 1080p with a light. Has 3 different light brightnesses, and I thought this would be great to use with the clipper setup. So I'm going to also leave the link to my printables link, and with the step files and the Solidworks file. So if anybody wants to edit it, make it better, that would be awesome. And let's see where it goes.